Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily find people you blocked on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Facebook, and when you're going to be here, go to right up corner to the menu, and right here you're going to see your name and everything. You want to scroll down below, and then you're going to see settings and privacy right here, settings, and here when you're going to be in settings, you want to scroll down below, and then you're going to see privacy and blocking under the public posts. And here you want to just click on it, and then you just find people you blocked and you can unblock them. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. So again, you are in menu, go to settings, scroll down below, and then change the blocking. So